10 ways to engage your audience in a virtual meeting. In today's unpredictable environment, organizations are learning various ways to engage their customers and employees virtually. Whether it's Zoom, WebEx, Teams, or Slack, it's always important to get your points across appropriately. This is not limited to organizations, it cuts across various setups including colleges and religious organizations. Here are 10 ways to engage your audience virtually. 1. Keep your message short. The volume of information out there is overwhelming and people are beginning to choose what they watch and listen to. The attention span and the ability to absorb information is getting short and shorter. So, if your message is too long, you'll lose your audience to someone with a shorter message. 2. Keep your message interactive and fun. Keeping your message interactive with elements of gamification will entice active participation and make the whole thing fun. People love things that make them laugh and carry them along from start to finish. This is a great way to pass your message while making it fun. 3. Keep it simple. Learn to stick only need-to-know information in your message and reduce distractions as much as possible. It's perfect to include graphics and visuals in your message, but make sure they are not too long and distractive. 4. Relate your message to the real world. Balance fun and gamification with real-world applicability. Be sure your message is clear and linked to the business goals. Use real-world scenarios and examples whenever possible. 5. Have plenty of energy in your voice. Your energy level needs to go from 0 to 60 in the first section to grab attention. Be prepared to deliver your opening sentence without using sentence fillers or fumbling. Keep your energy level high, as if you are speaking to people in the room. 6. Maintain a strong posture throughout. If you lean on the desk, your shoulder will hunch, making you look less relaxed. Try to keep your back straight and head up. Positioning your laptop on eye level will help you relax. This gives a good angle for your face, plus helps keep your posture upright and energized. 7. Speak to your audience, don't read to them. Most people don't like it when you read to them, especially if you are using slides. They can read your slides, so do more explanation than reading. 8. Keep your eyes on the camera. Looking into the camera gives you a feeling that the person you are speaking to is right in front of you. It also gives the person at the other end the impression you are looking at them during the video. 9. Keep the chat box open. Keeping your chat box open helps your audience to ask questions as your presentation is going on. It also helps you go through comments at the end of the video. 10. Get everyone in the meeting involved. This includes learning to pronounce each person's name if it's not a very large meeting. You can call them by name and ask them questions to get them to participate. Those are the 10 tips we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel to get notifications when new videos are uploaded.